Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Paracord Stuff. Project today is a stitched Cobra. It's called Cobra Stairs. It has a 4-strand core consisting of 2 strands at 15 inches long, 35.56 centimeters, melted together to form a loop, connected to form the core. We're using 2 colors, well, 3 with stitching, red and black. Both strands are 42 inches or 106.68 centimeters. It's melted together to form one long strand with 2 working ends. Blue is 2 millimeters. All the rest of the paracord is 4 mil thick. This is 2 mil thick, 36 inches long or 91.44 centimeters. This is going to be the stitching, the blue to call it, and it has a fib, and it's a fib type 1, which is a small one. You're also going to need a lighter, a pair of scissors, and a presser. And let's get started. Through the cow hitch on the side, is the loop. On this one, we're going to start with the black, and black's always going to be on top. Goes over, red over, underneath, up to the loop, and tighten. Black from the right, over on the top, red, over, under everything, up to the loop. Black over the top, red, over, under everything, up to the loop.